party time. Today we're going to do a Dutch pour. This is my first attempt and I've got my fingers and my toes all crossed that I'm not going to have to do this multiple times today. We've got a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I've got a base coat put down. All the colors will be provided in the description. So let's get started. One of these, well, a couple of the colors are custom colors, but I will be able to tell you what is in them. That's not always the case. Okay, I'm going to torch that real quick. See some bubbles. This paint was mixed up today, so that's not unheard of that we're going to have a bunch of bubbles. Okay, here we go. Okay. Taking a look to see if there's any parts that I want to do some additional blowing, you know, by my mouth or a turkey baster or something. But maybe this part right here, because that is kind of globbed up, that one color there. Globbed up, is that a word? I don't know, but that's what I said. I don't know if I want to blow that much more. Just to kind of thin it out a little bit. And I don't really want that meeting into that. Gnats. Still got the gnats. I'm liking it. I'm liking it the way it is. I wish this part hadn't went over the side so much, but maybe that is a good indication to me that it's time for me to get move on to a bigger canvas. That's something that I have put off, you know, because bigger canvases are harder. So I thought about doing a bigger canvas today, but I thought, no, I haven't been so lucky, you know, where I can get it done the first time and all that, and I don't want to get frustrated today, blah, blah, blah. So I stuck with the 12 by 16. But I think next time I will move up to the next size. Because, as I said, a lot of that went over the side that I didn't really want to. I'm going to have to do some touch up on the sides, looks like, because I did this dark color for the background. But I can do that off camera. I'm going to go ahead and get the camera down. I could maybe blow that out a little bit more. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it before I screw it up. Okay, let me get the camera down, show you all close up. I don't think I've seen anybody do a background with this color, so I'm trying to be brave. As you see, I'm going to have to touch this area up. That's no biggie. But we got some pretty effects. I like the negative space. I think that that's going to work well with this piece. I'm really pleased with how this came out. First try. Boy, oh boy, I'm done something right today. That part there reminds me of caramel. Yum, and ice cream. It's really pretty. Some good blending of colors. Very, you know, a very few, not a lot of cells. What I probably could have done different is a little less paint. And for this size canvas. But all in all, I'm quite happy with it. I hope you guys like it too. I'm going to wrap it up for today. Hope you will give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. Leave me a comment, give me some suggestions and feedback. And most of all, I'd like to please ask that you consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I would enjoy having you be a part of my paint parties in the future, and hope you guys are enjoying this day. Today is the day I'm filming this. This is Halloween. So, well, the rest of you all are enjoying those activities. My solitary life involves me celebrating any and every day that I can with painting. So, um, that said, I'm going to bid you farewell, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. When I was taking pictures of the painting, it just occurred to me that there was a big place in the middle that the paint was all like folded over or something. And so I decided I wanted to try and do something about it, and that led me to discover that there was still a lot of paint there. So I blowed out this part right in here, and so we don't have all the negative space up there that we had, and the scalloped look, you know, kind of like, you know, flowers or whatever, swoopy looking. That isn't there anymore, but we got some killer cells that popped up. So that added some interest, but that folded over paint was like really kind of weird looking, and I would have had to also worry about the paint cracking with all the, you know, excess paint on there and everything. And I ended up blowing this out, so all that green there wasn't all piled up, you know, in one place. That helped some. So I just wanted to get back on here and show you what I did. I still like it. I'm looking forward to doing a bigger canvas next time, and I hope to see you then. So y'all take care now. Bye.